Hey art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Michael Meyers. All right, so to start with, we're gonna draw the top of his head, which is kind of a straight line. Then we're gonna draw a line coming down and it's gonna kind of curve in. Then it's gonna curve in a little bit more, come down, across, and back up. Then we're gonna draw another line coming up like that. Then on this side of his face, we're gonna come down and we're gonna make a letter C, and then we're gonna come down like that. And in the letter C, we'll add another little line and some more lines, kind of like a little S there. All right, now he looks weird because he doesn't have hair yet. So we're gonna put some hair on him, and it's just gonna be kind of not smooth. So kind of zigzaggy, curvy, and it's just gonna come up like this, come around. Then I think I'm gonna start down here again. We'll do some little zigzaggies coming up. I think I'm gonna bring it out a little bit more here. And then it's all kind of slicked back. There we go. That's pretty good. There we go. Okay, now for the eyes. So the eyes are gonna kind of line up with the ear here. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna put another line right about here. And I'm gonna draw kind of an almond shape and then color that in. Here's his first eye. So then I'm gonna go across, and it's gonna be about the same width here. So this and this are like this and this. And then the second eye, there we go. There's my almond. Color that in. Go. And then we've got a line coming here. It's kind of like his eyebrow, I guess. And then it comes down, and that's where his nose comes in. And then we've got a couple lines here and here that are kind of like facial lines. And then we have kind of a letter C here for the side of his nose. We got a nose hole here, a nose hole here, and another C here. And then we've got some lines that come down, a line here, and then we've got his mouth, like that. And then for the bottom of his mouth, we just have a couple lines here of suggestion, and then a little line here, and then we've got the chin line right here. And then we've got some more lines on the face and the eye. He's creepy, just like that. All right, so now the neck comes down out of the face like so, and then it comes across because he's wearing a shirt. Thank goodness. There's another line here. And then we've got the jacket that kind of comes out here and then comes down, and then it curves around because it's got like a collar thing on it and comes back. And then we have a line here. Then we have another line right here. Oops. It comes straight down for the shirt. And then the other side comes up. And we have a V here. And then we have a line that comes back. And then this one, the collar is up. And then I missed a line. There we go. Okay, we have a little detail. Yeah. Okay, then we have the shirt that is under there. And did he cut his neck? Is that what's going on there? I'm not sure. I'm not a big horror story person, so I don't really know this character too well. There we go. Okay, then he's got a big knife. So for that, we're gonna first start with the hand. So we're gonna start with a little hook, okay? Then we're gonna draw the hand, the top of the hand, and then there's the wrist. And then we're gonna draw another hook, like that, and another hook, like that, and another hook, like that, and there we go. Then we're gonna skip down a little bit, draw the bottom of the wrist, and come back like so. Then we have the top of the knife, a side line. Here's where the knife gets like put together for the handle. Come down. Then we've got the bottom here. And then we've got the line here. It comes up. Comes down. And we've got the knife. Whew. There we go. I guess there's some blood dripping on it. Ooh, it's yucky. Ooh, yucky. All right. Then we've got the shoulder here. And there's a couple lines there for his jacket. And then the other shoulder is a little higher and it comes down. Excuse me. And then we've got the other shoulder, well, this is like the jacket, the detailing on the jacket. And then there's the sleeve here because his other arm's kind of hanging out over here. And then we got like a little pocket on his jacket. And I guess he's got blood on him because he's a psycho. Woo! And then this comes down for his jacket. We got another pocket here. Yep. And then the arm, there's a sleeve. Comes around, down. There's the sleeve, and then he's got the sleeve of the jacket. Ooh, yeah, ooh, scary. All right, and I think that about does it for Michael Meyers. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.